Okay guys, quick update with Bitcoin. Look, I'm calling it. I think within the next 2 weeks, we're going to see a major correction for Bitcoin and for the stock market. Let me show you the two charts that confirm this for me. We're going to cover a few other charts and give you support resistance levels to pay attention to. We're also going to pick the two coin winners from the previous video. If you liked, left a comment, and subscribe, then you qualify to win two of these coins. So I'm going to pick two winners, two coins. So I'm going to pick the winners from the previous video. And same with this video, guys. If you like, comment, and subscribe, I will pick the two winners from this video and the following video. If you do want to sign up for BitGet, guys, my link is pinned in the first comment description if you want to trade this. If you're interested in learning how to trade on BitGet, I have a tutorial I put up. It teaches you how to set up a long, a short, set a stop loss, adjust your stop loss, how to do trigger orders. I'll put a link to that tutorial video now if you want to check it out. If you're located in the US, you're looking for an exchange to trade on, CoinCatch was created by the same people that did BitGet. If you're in the US, you do not need to use a VPN or KYC, so that's a great option for you. Jump on that while you can. The link to sign up is pinned in the first comment in the description. The last video I put up, I'll put a link up to this video now. I was giving you support resistance levels to pay attention to. I said your strongest resistance level was 29,500, and just above that, very strong resistance, 29,800. I did tell you be cautious shorting 29,337, but there was confluence for that as a resistance level, and your next support level is around 28,600. Again, H1 chart 29,300 and 28,600. As you can see, we pushed up, got rejected right at that line, 29,350, and came down and found support right on the 6 fib channel line. Fib retracements are great for finding entries. Fib channels are like cheating. By the way, if you do want to sign up to get access to these live charts and Discord, the link's pinned in the first comment description. I also have tutorials teaching my charting method if you want to find out how to place these Fib channels as well as Fib circles. If we do break below 28,615, your next support level is 28,214. That is going to be a lot of support, a lot of confluence on charts for 28,200, 28,100, 28,200. This is the same video. This is what I'm talking about. This was confluence, 4.2 short. 29,275. This is the C1BG chart. You can see we came up, we got rejected right here, and we dropped. This is the same video, just further in. I was showing you 29,500 is very strong resistance. Fib channel below. This is why confluence between charts is important. 28,754, and look what happened. We came down, and this is currently our support. So your current support is 28,600, 28,700. If we break that, then we are heading down to, remember, 29,800 is your strongest resistance. If we push up to that point, great, point too short. But your, let's see, let me go through here. Hold on a sec. Okay, so what I want to show you, and this is why I think it's very likely that not only the stock market, Bitcoin and the stock market will start having a major correction in the next 2 weeks. And it's two charts basically, but this is just an example of how these rings work. I was talking about a while back about this ring right here. So when you approach the ring to go long, and so when you cross the ring to go short. Now, had you held your short for a while, you would actually be in profit. So from this point to long, remember I said when you approach the ring to go long, so that was, we pushed up a total of 27%. You know, had you shorted and held your short, had your stop loss above, after we crossed the ring, you know, we're already down 7.39%. Now that's not a lot if you're spot trading, but if you're using leverage, that's actually good money depending on how you're trading this. But my point is, we crossed this ring. I said it was likely after this ring we would have some more downside. It's taking longer than expected, but this is basically just to show how these rings work. And just to show you this very same ring, this is that ring I was talking about. It's basically saying that when you approach this ring to go long and we cross it, we could have a drop. This is on the daily. This is published on June 7th. So let me show you how this played out. And you can see we pushed right up that ring. Sorry guys, my phone went off. You see as we approached the ring, we pushed up. When we crossed it, yes, I did think we would have a more significant drop. You can see price has just gone sideways and down. But you can clearly see how well these rings work. Hit it, pushed up, and when we crossed it, the pivot was go sideways. So this is just showing you how these rings work. Now, the two charts are showing me potentially we're going to have a major crash in the next 2 weeks. This is my Bitstamp weekly moving averages 300, 200, 121. This is our 21-week moving average, this blue moving average right here. And I'll show you the confluence from another chart. I mentioned this in the previous video. So we have 5 days left in this candle, right? I think it's very possible. Watch the previous video. I went in detail about this, but we'll be on that ring within the next 7 days. We will have either dropped before the ring or crossed the ring in less than 14 days. So this is very significant. Every time we make contact with one of these rings in this fib circle, we get a significant move. So this is just one chart, the Bitcoin chart, showing me that something major is going to happen at this point. And if you've been following me, I've been talking about the fact that basically only a few stocks have been moving the stock market. Apple, Tesla, Amazon, nvidia, this whole AI craze, and pretty soon I believe that that basically it's just an AI bubble, just like the .com bubble, and pretty soon the big players are already getting out. Retail, I say dumb money, is still buying. I have a feeling when we cross this ring, this is when the markets are going to correct, and it just so happens the timing for this is just, it matches completely with that of the chart I just showed you, that Bitcoin chart. So if we push up, it'd be 7 days we're on the ring. If we push higher, it could be, up here we cross it. It depends on where price is. But if we continue sideways, we'll be crossing this ring within the next 7 days. So definitely within 14 days. And you can clearly see how well we're just riding up this ring. Let me give you a brush tool here. We found support, right? Found support, found supports. Every time you hit the ring, you go long. So it's possible we could push up from this point. If we do not push up from this point, this means we're going to be crossing this ring, which means we're looking at potentially a lot of downside for nvidia. And nvidia is coming down. I'm pretty sure the other stocks will be coming down as well. But I just want to point out the confluence between the timing on this ring that we're clearly respecting for nvidia and this ring we're coming up on right now for this 300 or 200 121 Bitstamp chart. So I just want to point that out. Again, something major is going to happen within the next 2 weeks. So I just want to make you aware of that, and we'll keep you guys updated. In regards to the coins, so let's go ahead and let's pick the winners from the previous video for these 1 ounce silver Bitcoin coins. Okay, so I've already got the link for the previous video. Going to click fetch, include replies, no, continue. Okay, and by the way, guys, in order to, so if you see your name picked, all you have to do is email me through the website. Make sure you click the link pinned to the first comment description for my website. Click on contact and you get my email address there. Guys, do not fall for scams. Scammers are leaving comments pretending to be me. Remember, I will never ask you to contact me in the comment section. And basically, if it's me that leaves a message, my name's highlighted. So just watch the previous video. I went into detail about that too. So let's go ahead and pick a winner. All right, the first winner is Max Price. One thing I think you're terribly wrong at is indices. They are not topped. They really aren't. Everything is pointing to a potential melt up. Well, I think you're incorrect, but you did win a coin, and I'll verify that you are subscribed, because if you're not subscribed, you don't get to win the coin. All right, so let's pick the next winner. So that first one is Max Price. Next winner is Moe. Tactical Dots. And again, guys, I can verify if you were subscribed and left a like. If you did not, you're disqualified. But those are the 2 winners. And remember, guys, all you have to do is like, comment, and subscribe. And then in the next video, I'll pick 2 more winners. Remember, if you want to sign up to get access to these live charts in Discord, you can access my website. Again, it's pinned in the first comment description. And I do have tutorials teaching my charting methods. So you can learn how to place these fib channels and these fib circles. If you want to sign up for BitGet, guys, that link's pinned in the first comment description. If you're located in the U.S., looking for a no VPN, no KYC option, CoinCatch is a great one for you. That's also pinned in the first comment description as well. So that pretty much sums it up, guys. I will keep you updated. Just remember, I'm expecting one major move within the next 2 weeks, and that's based on this nvidia chart and based on this Bitcoin chart right here. All right, guys, that's it. I'm out. Stay safe, stay smart.